Let's talk a little bit about CPD in the education sector. CPD is really useful to upskill yourself and the knowledge that you've got. It will help you with your day-to-day job. It will help with the experience and the learning of all the children that you're working with, but also allows you to look at your progression within your career and the next roles that you may move into. CPD, particularly in the education sector, can come in many forms. You can attend conferences and workshops, which is a really good way at sharing lots of experiences from across the country, which is really good for the development of all staff. You can attend courses, you can look at enrolling onto new qualifications to follow on from the ones that you've already gained. But it can also be smaller CPD elements such as researching, looking at the latest case studies and best practice that you can implement within your role or school setting, for example. But it can also be working with your colleagues and collaboratively planning how you're going to run a lesson or different strategies that certain children may benefit from. It's really important to make sure you keep up to date within the sector, constantly reviewing best practices. It's really, really important. There are lots of case studies and new ways of working that can come out that will really benefit both you and the students, which makes for a great learning experience. It's really important to spend time looking for CPD and really investigating the benefits. What are the learning outcomes that you are going to be achieving when you complete this? How will that benefit you currently? How will that work for you in the long term as well for your plans? And it's also important to look at, is it accredited? Has a third party looked at it, made sure that it meets the standards that you are going to achieve those outcomes and you are going to get value from that learning? If you're looking for CPD in this sector, make sure to remember to look out for our logo.